In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people in ClickUp. If you're setting up a team, bringing in a client, or simply giving someone access to your workspace, ClickUp makes the invitation process pretty straightforward. The main thing is knowing exactly where to go and which options to choose, so each person gets the right level of access from the start. First, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you continue, especially if you manage more than one. This helps avoid inviting people to the wrong location and keeps your setup organized. Once you're inside ClickUp, go to the upper left corner of the screen and click on your workspace name. This opens the main workspace menu, where you'll find the settings and management options related to your team and account. From there, look for the admin section and click on People. This is the area where you can manage current users, review who already has access, and invite new people into the workspace. If you need to update your team regularly, this is a useful section to become familiar with. Next, click Invite People. This will open the invitation panel where you can begin adding the people you want to bring into ClickUp. Now, enter the email address for each person you want to add. Be sure to type each address carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. If you're inviting several people at once, take an extra moment to double check everything before moving on. After entering their email addresses, choose a role for each person. In ClickUp, you can typically assign roles like member, admin, or guest. This part matters because the role determines how much control and visibility that person will have inside the workspace. For example, admins usually have broader management access, while guests may have more limited access depending on what you share with them. Once the role is selected, adjust the permissions for each person. This is where you decide what access they should have and what actions they are allowed to perform. It's a good idea to match permissions to the person's actual responsibilities so your workspace stays secure and easy to manage. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. ClickUp will then send the invitation, and the people you added will be able to join using the email addresses you entered. That's all it takes to add people in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.